please. Hello everyone. I'm here to show you what the Elevate Oral Care gave us for the community volunteer work on October 6th. October 6th, we're going to provide free dental care for the Vietnamese community in San Jose area. And let's check out what they gave us, okay? Move out a little bit. So look like they gave me 3 boxes, 1, 2, 3. Let's see what I have, okay? So I contacted them about 2 weeks ago and asked for some donation for silver diamide fluoride and some stuff. So let's see what they gave me. Silver diamide fluoride is a product for anti-caries. Help. Let's see what they gave me here. This is 1% sodium fluoride anti-carie toothpaste. That's great. We can give this to patient for anti-caries. Okay, take a look. Thank you, Elevated Oral Care. Good donation. That's 1 box. You see that already, right? Fluoride Max 5000 sensitive toothpaste. Good product. Have 10% xylitol. Good flavor. Check out the second one box. This is what they gave me. Oh, look like same thing. That's another box of Elevate Fluoride Max 5000 toothpaste. We got 2 boxes. Hopefully this is the silver diamide fluoride application and material for these patients who don't have insurance. They need to apply. We need to apply them into the teeth. So that is. They gave us a lot of good goodie bag for education about advantage of silver diamide fluoride. Silver diamide fluoride, 38%. So this is for dentists and patients that volunteer and receive this free education product. So I just want to reach out to Erica in the Elevate Oral Care that you really promised us you're gonna give us the 2 bottles of these. It looks like we received two bottles. This is gonna serve at least like 400 patients. This application is to stop the carie and it turned the tube into the carie into dark, but it's really to stop the carie. So I received 2 of these, and I look like I received. Let's see what I have in here. I know for sure this is the solution for application there, but I haven't tried this right here. Let's see what I have. Oh, so nice. This is so nice. This is single dose unit of the silver diamide fluoride with some micro brush. All I have to do is just use this for on the patient directly, single unit dose, so you disposable. Very nice. Thank you, Erica, for again to do this for the Vietnamese South Bay in San Jose. Really appreciate it on behalf of Northern California Vietnamese Dentists Association. I would like to thank you, Erica, for your compassion and generosity. Appreciate it.